To diabetes, but I manage it well. It's a little pill with a big story to tell. I take one stage audience.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado warning for Santa Rosa County in south central Florida, north central Mobile County in northern Alabama, until 1:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Pensacola, or near Robertsdale, moving northwest at 55 miles per hour. Locations included in the warning area but are not limited to Alberta, Swift, Foley, Gulf Shores, Somerdale, Clay City, Barnwell, Bill Center, and Fairhope for your
A tornado warning is issued for Mobile County and Santa Rosa County effective until 1:10 a.m.
Substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning until 1:10 a.m. for the following counties: in Florida, Santa Rosa; in Alabama, Mobile.
Service to anyone we want? No.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a tornado